Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add bank account in QuickBooks. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. All you're gonna do is find a plan that's right for you, provide all important information, follow the on-screen instructions, and you are all set. Now, adding a bank account to QuickBooks Online offers several advantages for small businesses and individuals managing their finances, because by connecting your bank account to QuickBooks, you can automatically import your banking transactions directly into the software. That means you can save time compared to manually entering each transaction, ensuring that your financial records are up to date and accurate. And matter of fact, adding a bank account allows you to see your current cash position and monitor your account balances in real time within QuickBooks. Now, for you to be able to add a bank account, click on the bank transactions here that you can find in the left side panel of your dashboard. As you can see, you have two options. The first one is you can simply connect your account, or you can manually upload your transactions. Now, we have a separate video on uploading a transactions here for your bank account, but we're going to have that on a separate occasion. Just check in our channel. But you have other connected bank accounts here. Just click on the manage connections and you would see all the accounts linked from here. But if you don't have, go to back to banking and click on the connect account. Now, once you are here, all you're going to do is search for the 20,000 plus local and international banks, right? Because having an automatic bank feeds reduce the risk of errors associated with the manual data entry. Now, by importing transactions directly from your bank account here into QuickBooks, you can ensure the accuracy of your financial records and minimize the chances of discrepancies. Now, in my case, I'm gonna choose Bank of America right here. Click on that. And what will happen is all you're gonna do, as you can see, start by selecting the Bank of America accounts you want to connect with into it, the makers of QuickBooks Online. And again, you can go to the bank to sign in and choose which accounts to connect. So let's do that. Now, you can also do the same when you are in that specific section of adding a bank transaction or bank account on your QuickBooks. Just log in using your credentials. It doesn't matter what bank you are in. And once you've done that, let's go again to our QuickBooks Online. And obviously from here, just click on continue. And from here, you will be directed to a new window wherein you are required to log in using your account. So I suggest you go directly to the website so you won't have to go to this specific window. Now, once you've done that with your bank account connected to QuickBooks, you can track your cash flow more effectively by monitoring incoming and outgoing transactions. Now, this allows you identify trends, forecast cash flow, and make informed decisions to improve your financial position. Not only that, obviously, QuickBooks integrates with a variety of financial tools and services such as payment processors and budgeting apps. When you go here in the app section, right? And from here, by adding your bank account to QuickBooks, you can leverage these integrations to enhance your financial management capabilities and streamline your workflow. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.